What is phonemic awareness? It is the ability to identify and manipulate individual sounds in spoken words. It's essential for learning to read in an alphabetic writing system and a strong predictor of children who experience early reading success. So in other words, if a child can do phonemic awareness tasks, they will most likely be a good reader. To understand phonemic awareness, it's important to understand that it's the most advanced skill of phonological awareness. Phonological awareness is the ability to recognize that spoken words are made up of individual sound parts. It is like an umbrella under which phonemic awareness exists with other levels of phonological awareness. These levels progress from larger sound units to the smallest sound unit and includes the ability to distinguish sounds at a word, syllable, onset rhyme, and phoneme level. So, phonemic awareness is a skill within phonological awareness that emphasizes an ability to play with words at the smallest unit of sound by identifying, categorizing, isolating, blending, segmenting, adding, deleting, and substituting individual phonemes in words. So, what does phonemic awareness look like? For starters, it's an auditory skill. It is the task of being able to pull apart words into their individual phonemes, the smallest unit of language, when heard. Purposeful phonemic awareness instruction includes identifying, recognizing a first sound in a word. What is the first sound you hear in cat? K. Matching, taking a beginning sound and noticing it is the same as other beginning sounds. Choose a picture that matches the first sound d, dog, and door. Categorizing, grouping beginning sounds together that are the same. Is the k in cat the same as the in map? Is it the same as the k in cap? Is the k in cat the same as the k in can? Cat, cap, and can start with the same sound. Blending, putting phonemes together to say a word. What word is made up of the sounds k, a, t? Cat. Segmenting, saying each phoneme in a word. What are all the sounds you hear in cat? K, a, t. Deleting, removing a phoneme to change a word. What is cat without the k sound? At. Substituting, changing a phoneme to make a new word. What word would you have if you changed the t in cat to an n? Can. And adding, which is adding a phoneme to make a new word. Add k to rash. What is the new word? K, rash. Crash. How do we teach phonemic awareness? Keep lessons short, less than 15 minutes. Focus on only 1 or 2 phonemic manipulation activities in a lesson. Use materials that reduce memory load and help represent sounds. For example, using pictures to help children remember the words and to focus their attention, or using a 3-square strip or blocks to represent sounds in a word. Tie it to your instruction in reading and writing. So, present an auditory task focused on phonemic awareness, then include the same target sounds in words that students will practice reading or spelling. Once children can blend and segment sounds easily, use letters during lessons as a transition to phonics. Seeing the letters helps children associate which sounds go with which letters. Finally, why is phonemic awareness important? It helps children get ready for reading and writing, understand that words are made of smaller sounds, and helps them sound out words as they read and write. One of the common differences between readers who struggle and those who don't is strong phonemic awareness. First graders who cannot blend sounds into words or segment words into sounds are likely in need of phonemic awareness intervention. Some students will also need word level and spelling instruction to explicitly link sounds to print. Thanks for watching the Big 5 and Under 5 Phonemic Awareness. If you're interested in learning more, check out the National Center on Improving Literacy's Implementation Toolkits.